Today we are going on a bush tucker canoe tour.
Why do we have to get them one jacket?
Chase down a brand new adventure. Step up, step out and enter in. There's no time for stalling. The wild is calling. When you risk it all, you learn to feel alive. Searching for new life. Reaching for new heights. Into the daylight. So open your eyes, we're making the climb, taking the dive deep into the wild. Our dreams on the horizon, our fears leave them behind us now. There's no time for stalling. The wild is calling.
So we have just finished our bush tucker canoe tours and we really enjoyed them. They were really good. They had a few different stops and they showed us a few plants that can be eaten, and then we stopped at a rock where we could jump off and we had a good swim, and it was perfect because it was really nice, really hot. And then we went to a second spot for lunch and they had crocodile, they had emu, they had kangaroo, they had chicken, and then they had some vegetarian options as well. And then they had lots of different berries and plants that you can eat.
Why don't we see that?
Hi.
Why don't we see that?
Hi.
Want to say that?
What now, sugar?
Yeah, what about paper towel? Why don't we see that?
Hi.
Want to see that?
Hi.
Risk it all, you learn to feel alive. Searching for new life. Reaching for new heights. Into the daylight. So open your eyes, we're making the climb, taking the dive deep into the wild. Wild is calling. The wild is calling now. The wild is calling. There's no time. Oh, the wild is calling. The wild is calling now. The wild is calling.
We are at the point and we didn't think would come, we just thought we'd come and have a look because it looks more like a fishing spot than a swimming spot. And then we found these little rock pools when we were exploring and the kids are absolutely loving it. I think we must be here at low tide because obviously the sea must reach this level, but it's pretty fun and the kids are really enjoying it. What have you found?
know how much pictures are? If you didn't see that, go watch it now and subscribe. Or watch the pictures will call in your bed.